If the battery is stuck at 80% when charging your OPPO Find X9, in order to solve this issue, first of all, we can open Settings, scroll down in Settings and find Battery over here. Next, we're gonna scroll all the way down and in here choose Battery Health. We have two options that can prevent your battery from charging all the way to 100%. The first option is Smart Charging. Now this option allows the phone to learn your charging habits and patterns, so usually the battery will be stuck at 80% until the phone recognizes that you are soon about to unplug the charger. Then the phone should be able to charge to 100% back again. However, of course, in some cases when the phone didn't fully pick up the habit, your charging habits yet, or if you don't have a charging habit, then of course this can mess things up and you might be always stuck at 80%. There is also this other option, custom charging limit, which can of course also be the reason why your battery is stuck at 80%. So you can either increase it to, let's say, 85, 90, 95, or even back to 100% like this. And of course, we also have this description over here below that you should, of course, keep in mind when using these limits or disabling these limits. And if you still want to always be able to charge to 100%, you can just disable everything. You can just, disable smart charging and the custom charging limit, and that should be it. However, of course, it is still recommended to use one of these two options. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.